Are you searching for a plasma cutter but not sure which one to choose? In this quick review, we'll look at 3 of the best budget-friendly options: the TOLIOM 50A, the Simder 50A, and the flaring FC650DL. Let's start with the TOLIOM 50A. This model runs on dual voltage, either 110 or 220 volts, and offers up to 50 amps of output. It uses non-touch pilot arc technology, so it cuts smoothly even through painted or rusty metal without direct contact. It can deliver a clean cut of up to ½ inch, and the digital display makes adjustments simple. Pros include affordability, easy operation, and reliable cutting performance. On the downside, it maxes out around ½ inch and the torch cable could be longer. Next is the Simder 50A. Like the TOLIOM, it also uses non-touch pilot arc and works with both 110 and 220 volts. What makes it different is versatility. Some versions combine welding and cutting in a single unit, supporting MIG, TIG, and MMA functions. It's lightweight, only about 25 pounds, so it's easy to carry. Pros are portability, multifunction capability, and smooth cuts. The cons are a less detailed manual and consumables that may wear faster with heavy use. Finally, the flaring FC650DL. This cutter is stronger, delivering 65 amps. It also uses non-touch pilot arc and works on both 120 and 240 volts. It can achieve a clean cut of ½ inch and up to 5/8 severance. Pros are more cutting power, clean performance, and good value. Cons include a heavier design and instructions that could be clearer. So which one should you choose? The TOLIOM 50A is best for simple and affordable cutting. The Simder 50A is ideal if you want both cutting and welding in one machine. And the flaring FC650DL is perfect if you need more power without spending on an industrial unit. Check the links in the description for more details and find the cutter that fits your needs best.